Heavy-duty off-road recovery gear built for tough terrain. Includes straps, shackles, dampers, and more. Essential for safely recovering vehicles from mud, sand, snow, or rough backcountry trails. There are many different types of off-road recovery gear, each with special benefits, features, and prices. To help make right decisions, I did a lot of research and will be found the best off-road recovery gear that people like you can benefit greatly from these products. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Let's get started. Top 5. Best Off-Road Recovery Gear Review. So watch the video with patience. Number 5. Kinetic Recovery Tow Rope. Prepare for any off-road recovery situation with the Kinetic Recovery Tow Rope. Upgraded to 1.26 inches, this heavy-duty recovery rope delivers superior strength, offering an impressive 55,000 pounds braking strength, surpassing wire winch ropes by 45%. Ideal for a wide range of vehicles, including trucks, SUVs, UTVs, ATVs, tractors, jeeps, boats, trailers, and more. This snatch strap is designed to recover vehicles from mud, sand, snow, or even farming conditions with ease. Crafted from 100% nylon 66, this rope features a 12-strand high-strength inner core for exceptional durability, wear resistance, and up to 35% stretch capacity. This elasticity provides smooth, controlled recoveries, minimizing impact and leaving your vehicle unscathed, making it the safest and most efficient recovery tool available. The kit includes 2 heavy-duty soft shackles, made from UHMWP synthetic fibers, offering a 48,500 pounds max braking strength. These shackles are lightweight, rust-resistant, and protected with a polyester coating, ensuring superior durability and protection for both your vehicle and the rope. With its waterproof coating, diamond-braided nylon construction, and heavy-duty storable bag, this recovery kit is built for extreme conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance in any environment. Backed by a lifetime warranty, you can trust this rope to get the job done every time. Number 4. Bubba Rope Off-Road Truck Recovery Gear Set. Take your recovery game to the next level with the Bubba Rope Off-Road Recovery Gear Set, featuring a rugged combination of power and innovation. This heavy-duty kit includes a 7/8" by 20-foot power stretch recovery rope, engineered for off-road extractions with a massive 28,600 pounds load capacity. The rope's dynamic stretch design provides controlled recoil for safer, smoother vehicle recoveries, and now includes an Everwear thimble for added durability and protection under extreme tension. Also included is the Next-Gen Pro Gator Jaw synthetic shackle, a high-strength, lightweight alternative to traditional steel shackles. Measuring 3/8 inch thick with a 6.5 inch bow width, it delivers an incredible 47,000 pounds load capacity, stronger than steel and safe to handle. Designed for vehicles weighing 5,000 to 7,000 pounds, this kit is ideal for recovering cars, trucks, SUVs, ATVs, and UTVs stuck in mud, sand, snow, or ditches. Built for the harshest conditions, every component is water, UV, and abrasion resistant, making it a long-lasting essential for any off-road adventure. Whether you're overlanding or trailblazing, trust Bubba Rope to get you and your vehicle out safely. It's not just recovery gear, it's peace of mind. Number 3. All-Top Extreme Duty Tow Strap Recovery Kit. All-Top Extreme Duty Tow Strap Recovery Kit. 4" by 30-foot snatch strap with D-ring shackles. Tackle tough recovery situations with confidence using the All-Top Extreme Duty Tow Strap Recovery Kit, engineered for serious off-roaders and overland enthusiasts. This powerhouse kit includes a 4" x 30-foot snatch strap made from 100% nylon N66, offering 22% genuine elasticity. Ideal for delivering smooth, controlled recovery force without the jarring impact of less flexible polyester straps. Built for strength and safety, The strap boasts an impressive 46,500 pounds braking strength and a 15,500 pounds working load limit, verified by lab testing. Reinforced loop ends and neoprene protector sleeves add durability and reduce wear during high-stress pulls. The kit also includes two 3/4-inch D-ring shackles, forged from 45 specially treated carbon steel to ensure maximum strength and reliability in the most demanding environments. Whether you're pulling a vehicle out of mud, snow, sand, or a ditch, this kit is built to perform. Packaged in a durable storage bag, it's ready for your next adventure. Backed by Alltop's legendary 99-year warranty and lifetime customer support, this kit is more than just gear. It's your trusted recovery companion. Join 200,000+ off-roaders who rely on Alltop for dependable performance. Number 2. ARB RK9A Premium Recovery Kit. The ARB RK9A Premium Recovery Kit is the ultimate recovery solution for any off-road adventure, designed to tackle everything from straightforward snatch recoveries to more complex winching tasks. This versatile, pre-assembled kit is perfect for any 4x4 enthusiast looking to be fully prepared for recovery situations on the toughest terrains. Packed into a full color-printed box, this kit makes an excellent gift for off-road fanatics. It includes a comprehensive range of high-quality accessories, each chosen with safety and durability in mind. The Kinetic Snatch Strap, ARB 705LB, Winch Extension Strap, ARB 720LB, Extension Strap, ARB 730LB, and Snatch Block, 10100020A, are all crafted to withstand the harshest recovery scenarios, giving you peace of mind in any situation. For added safety, the kit comes with a winch recovery damper, ARB 220, safety gloves, and 2 shackles, ARB 2014. Every component is built to perform under extreme conditions, ensuring you can confidently tackle recoveries in mud, sand, snow, and more. All of this is neatly housed in an upgraded premium carrying bag, ARB 501A, making storage and transport easy. With this kit, you'll be ready for any recovery mission, big or small. It's the last off-road recovery gear kit you'll ever need. Number 1. Gear America Off-Road Recovery Kit. Gear America Off-Road Recovery Kit, 25-ton. Everything you need for an off-road recovery. Whether you're tackling rugged trails or deep mud, the Gear America Off-Road Recovery Kit has everything you need to recover a stuck 4x4, truck, ATV, UTV, or SUV. Designed for serious off-roaders, this comprehensive kit includes a heavy-duty tow strap, tree saver strap, mega snatch block pulley, D-ring shackles, winch line dampener, gloves, and a durable storage bag. Get a mega strength upgrade with recovery tools built for extreme conditions. The Mega Snatch Block boasts a massive 50,000 pounds minimum brake strength, while the Mega Shackles deliver an unmatched 68,000 pounds MBS, ensuring you're equipped to handle the toughest recoveries with confidence. Safety first. Never take chances. Every component in this kit is engineered with safety in mind. The winch line dampener helps reduce recoil in case of a snapped line, and the included gloves protect your hands during intense recovery situations. Purchase with confidence knowing your gear is backed by Gear America's industry-leading, hassle-free lifetime replacement warranty. If you love the open road, join us. Gear America is built for those who live to explore, respect nature, and rely on rugged machinery. This is the last recovery gear you'll ever need. Thanks for watching this video.